When gas is sprayed from the nozzle onto car parts, the dirt on the surface of the parts disappears, making them look brand new. This cleaning method is called dry ice cleaning. It relies on high-speed jets of solid carbon dioxide to remove stains. The strong cleaning ability isn't just due to the kinetic impact of dry ice particles, but also has a lot to do with thermal contraction. Because dry ice at negative 140 degrees Fahrenheit can rapidly cool down parts. Since the contraction rates of dirt and parts differ, cracks form and the dirt gets blasted away. Therefore, dry ice cleaning is particularly suitable for removing oil stains and surface dirt. However, for rust on metal surfaces, factories typically use sandblasting rather than dry ice. This is because dry ice particles are very soft, and the abrasive effect they produce upon impact is much less compared to sand. But sandblasting's impact force is too strong and can easily damage the object itself. So for rust on the surface of some delicate items, using laser to burn off the rust produces better results.